Welcome to Archinotes. Today we're going to see how to find things in Revit. There are many ways of hiding things in Revit, hiding elements, so there are multiple ways, of course, how to find them. So the first way is to hide things in the view template or in visibility graphics if there is no view template applied to the view you're working on. Visibility graphics is in the view tab, is up here, but is the same workflow as view template. In this case, we have a view template, so we're going to click on it. First of all, you see that there are many things in this view that are missing. So the first way of showing things is in here, visibility graphics, overrides model. You click in edit, and in the model categories or any other, you can find things that are turned off. Okay, in this case, I'm going to type F, and I see that the furniture is off, and I check that box, I click apply, and many things show up. Important to know that it's not only about categories. For example, in the lines category, if I click on this plus, you can see that the room separations, that is an object style within that category, is off. So you can just select it and you will see the lines there. I'm going to turn it off because I'm not interested in having it on, and click OK. That is the first way. It's possible if you are working with worksets that the worksets are off as well. Okay. You have the grids in this workset, sorry, and it's hidden. Where they just come here, show, or use global setting for this view and click apply, and there it is. Okay, that is the first way of showing things. The second way is that it's possible that that workset in particular, well, for example, that workset is closed. Okay, now you see that it's not open. So even if you find it that it's set to be shown in the view template, you can see the grids. You just come down here, you select it, and you open it and click OK. Okay. The next way is that someone in your team, or maybe you, when there was a deadline or something and you were doing things not properly, clicked on here on line work, modify tab, line work, and set to invisible lines, and someone hid things. Okay, if you can't find those lines, you can just you click again, you click here, and you can set by category, and then you will find these lines. If you hover over those lines with the cursor, you will find it, and you click and you set by category or any other category that you want. Next way is that the element is just hidden. Again, someone in the team manually has hidden something. How do you do that? How do you find it better? You come down here, reveal hidden elements, you click on it, and then you have all the things. You see that I have sections, I have some lighting fixtures, and some reference planes hidden. You just select it, you click on hide element, and you close it, and there you have it. Okay. Next way is applying filters. So suddenly, where are the shower heads of these bathrooms? Why can't I see it? Well, it's because I applied a filter to hide it. This can be done with anything. Okay, there is another video in the channel about filters. You can check it out. So you click on the view template, you come to filters, edit, and here you see that I have a filter applied and that the visibility box is unchecked. You just select it, check the box, you click apply, or just click OK, and you see that the shower heads appear. Click OK, and there we have it. Next thing is that maybe you can find an element within a link that is linked into your file. Okay. I'm going to see in this AXO view, you see that I have some ducts, and these ducts are part of the MEP file that is linked into this project. I'm going to go to visibility graphics because I don't have any view template in this view. And if you go, instead of going to model categories, annotation, as we did before, we come here to Revit links. And then you go to the link you're missing something from, and you click in by host view, custom, and then model categories and custom again. Well, this is probably already like that. Things can be hidden here, okay? So if this is off, you won't see the ducts. So what I'm saying is that if this is set to custom, even if in the model categories, outside of the Revit links tab, just in the model categories of this file, the ducts are on, you're not going to see these because they are in the links, in the links tab, set by custom and unchecked here. Okay, that is the last one, and we have a bonus one. That is, well, we have two actually. We have one that is the out of range, out of the view range thing. In this case, we are missing here a closet, a wardrobe. I've done a very exaggerated example, but in some cases you may have like a line drawing that is not set correctly within the view range or something. For example, instead of modeling the stairs, you are just using a 2D drawing for the stairs in plan view, and you accidentally located it outside of the view range. You can just go to a section view or to a 3D view like I'm doing and see what's going on. I select it, you see that the level is correct, but the elevation from level is 2.5 meters. And if you go to this view and you go to the view template, the view range here is set to 2.3. Yeah, I'm going to put it here. If I put that the top of the primary range, the top, so the top of the view range is 2.55. And you click apply, you will see that, well, this should be visible. I'm sorry, 255 millimeters. Apply, and there you see it. It's still not correct. The wardrobe is not where it should be, but you see that it was a problem with the view range. I'm gonna go back to where it was. I'm gonna click OK, click OK, and I'm just gonna put it where it should be. That is 0. The bonus one is going back to the plan view. You don't see the kitchen. It's possible that there is an element in your design that you are working in options. So again, a very exaggerated case, but you see that I have options for the kitchen island, one with island and one without island. And the one without is the primary option. The primary option is the one that is shown in the main model. So I don't have anything here. But if you click on the other one, this island is here. I go back to the main model and I don't see anything. Ways of showing this. So first option, well, depends on the design options you're working on, but you can just select it, you Control-C, copy, you go back to the other option, for example, and you come to modify and paste, align to same place, for example. And now, because this is the primary option, it's visible in the main model. Another way is just, okay, I don't want to work in design options anymore because it's clear. you can just come here, you select with island, you make it primary, so now it's visible in the main model, and now you just accept the primary, for example. But this is up to you. This is depending on what you need of the design options. So that's it. We've covered 7-8 ways of showing things in Revit that were hidden. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.